Toyota of Bellevue offers services and tools that make us more than a typical dealership in Bellevue. All of our salespeople are complete experts on everything Toyota.
Here's a 2016 Toyota 4Runner. This adventurous 4Runner is an off-road icon with the capability and dependability to help you escape the city. Feel the thrill of the 4-liter V6 engine and have a more engaging drive with the 5-speed automatic transmission with intelligence and sequential shift mode. With a towing capacity of up to 4,700 pounds, you can haul just about anything you need wherever you need it. Convenience is at your fingertips with the touchscreen media display, backup camera, and Bluetooth. Stay out of harm's way with help from the Star Safety System.
The sunroof gives you fresh air for your drive. Say goodbye to dinged bumpers with the parking sensors. The memory seats will adjust to your preferred position so you are always riding comfortably.
This 4Runner prepares you for the unexpected. Come and give it a test drive today.